Welcome to telaHosting. How to fix email delivery issues caused by incorrect MS records in DirectAdmin. If your emails are not being delivered, bouncing back, going to spam, or simply refusing to arrive in your inbox, there is a high chance the problem is caused by incorrect MS records. This is one of the most common email issues users face, especially after switching hosting providers or trying to connect a custom email service. In this video, I'll show you how to fix email delivery issues caused by incorrect MX records. To fix MX records, you need to access your DNS settings. First, log into your DirectAdmin account. Inside DirectAdmin, scroll to the Account Manager section and click on DNS Management. Here you'll see all your domain's DNS records, including MX records. Email delivery issues often happen because the wrong MS records are active, there are multiple MS records from old providers, DirectAdmin automatically sets default records that conflict with your new provider, so look through the MX list. If you see MS records that don't belong to your choosing email provider, delete them. Only keep the MS records from the provider you want to use. Look for your MS records and verify that they match the mail server information provided by your email service. If they are incorrect, click Edit or Delete and add to update them. Watch our video on how to add MS records in DirectAdmin. Sometimes your MS record is correct, but supporting DNS records are wrong or missing. To ensure proper delivery, add SPF, DKIM or DMARC if required. Ensure your mail.yourdomain.com points to the correct IP address and remove any A or C name records conflicting with mail routing. Without these extras, if you're using external email services like Google or Microsoft, DirectAdmin must not try to deliver email locally. Inside DirectAdmin, scroll to Email Manager and click on MS Records. You will see an option, Local Default. If you're using external email, uncheck it. This setting alone fixes many delivery issues. Save your changes and double check all MS records for accuracy. After fixing your MS records, emails might not work immediately because DNS needs time to propagate, and once propagation is complete, your email delivery issues should be resolved and emails will route to the correct server. And that's it. You fixed MS records in DirectAdmin, ensuring your emails work reliably and your communications remain uninterrupted. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to friends who need telaHosting services. Also, subscribe for more easy web hosting tutorials like this. See you in the next video.